We had a big rain, we had a leak in here.
Alright, where the fan is.
Yeah.
How long have you been in this place, Chris?
10 years.
First time it's leaked, isn't it?
No, there's a little bit of a leak here.
Right.
So what I did was, since this happened, I redirected the stormwater, which was coming out there, down to the end here.
Yeah, right.
But I'm not sure, I'm thinking about whether to get sarking or something put in.
Okay.
Try and work out, I don't know if that would work came in or what.
Alright.
So that's what
Okay.
I'm thinking.
That's the only spot on your roof you've got a problem with.
Yeah. You can see there where the solar...
You've got solar panels on there.
Yeah, see this is new from here on.
Yeah.
We rebuilt this from here.
Yeah.
So they're sarking up to here.
Yeah.
But on this part of that roof, I was thinking of getting sarking up to the wall section wall. It might have been something to do with that. If there's a stormwater downpipe that came out.
This is what you meant.
Yeah.
Oh, it's spreader.
Spreader, there's a spreader there.
Okay.
So I took that off and I extended it down further down
This is after you had a leak.
after the leak.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we haven't had much rain since then.
I don't know. But I'm thinking I'd like to get some sarking. But I see the problem is there's a solar panel on that part of the roof. I've got to get that removed and put back on.
You've got no weep holes. Who put that silicon?
I did. There's a bit of...
There was a bit of gap in there, wasn't there? There was a big gap in there?
No, there's a little bit there, but that was quite a while ago when I did that. And I was going to get, get the the ridge capping, and I was just going to redo it. But I thought I'll just do it for now and see.
Well, it's downstairs, if you paste it out, your leak down is about there. And you said there's no sarking.
No sarking.
Which means that if you lift here...
the old roof. See where that green tile is?
Yeah, all right.
That's where the old roof ended. The new roof started, which has sarking on it. This bit doesn't.
All right.
Because I don't know whether that can help.
Well, if you see my logic, is if you've got no sarking here, and if the spreader was leaking, your patch would be directly below here because there's no sarking to take the water anywhere else.
Yeah.
And your patch is nowhere near there. Your patch is right where that solar panel is running in the middle of it. Second solar panel.
Yeah.
All right? That makes sense? You
know
this house better.
Yeah. But so the leak was starting back further. Got some more up there when the big rain came.
Yeah.
So
how long have you had these panels on?
A couple of years.
Okay. Oh. All right.
It's a bit of a hassle because I have to pay someone to take these panels off and put them back on.
Yep. That's right. That's the thing with solar panels. You need a solar panel guy to take the panels off, do the work, and they come back and put the panels back.
Yeah.
And the solar panel guys, not many guys want to do that.
No.
All right. Okay. Let me jump over and have a bit of a sticky bit. And I'll see what I can find.
Yeah.
Hey mate, guess what? I found your problem. You don't have to take these solar panels off. You don't have to put sarking in. And you don't have to fix your ridge capping. It's taken you months to try to figure out how to fix this leak of yours. And guess what? It's your lucky day. You found someone who can find what exactly is causing your leak. Admittedly, very hard to see, but once you know what you're looking for, it can be quite easy to spot.